Good afternoon, students. It's Raghuveer Shahu, your instructor for the fourth class. In this class, we will cover block 4, block 4 of entrepreneurship and SMEs management. So, starting with the what will be in this MSME registration and ownership. Furthermore, starting with Unit-11, which includes MSME registration, Mudra loan, and various startups. Importance of MSME registration, as we all know that every banking sector, every small and medium-sized industry requires some kind of assistance, recognition, and they have to seek legal safety from the government, and also to compete in the ongoing business. So, first of all, we will know about that. What is MSME? MSME is medium and small size institute which operate in rural areas, they are manufacturing hubs in a small scale. You can literally understand that every business which is expanding but not at a level of big corporate or big companies or big manufacturing hubs, but they are small plants having situated with total plant capacity of 50 to 100 members of that industry enterprise. So MSME registration is what? MSME registration is the official recognition process enabling micro, small, and medium enterprises to access critical benefits. Critical benefits such as financial access, market recognition, regulatory compliance, competitive edge. Also, financial access, easier credit, and lower interest rate from banks. If you have registered your MSME with the regulators or nearby registration office, then you may approach the bank for further funds like working capital requirement, expansion, or taken up of in extra projects, small occasional projects. These kind of financial need can be fulfilled by banks, but for that you have to take or register under MSME registration. Second, market recognition. You can say that if you register with a particular name with the regulator, then it is accessible that your name will be found in the market, which would result in more recognition from different parts of the country, and sometimes it's also there that when you give name to your business, then it is approachable, reachable by different personalities. Regulatory compliance means as you have registered with government, then you should have to follow their rules and regulation and abide by them. Competitive edge, like if an MSME is not registered with the government, then it might be that other customers think they are just a newcomer in the business, and they can't have access to financial access, or they can't have recognition in the market as compared to the registered ones. First, you have to go to the Udyam portal. Visit the Udyam portal. Then, in second step, you have to put your Aadhaar and PAN entries. Then, on the basis of Aadhaar validation by OTP PIN, then fill your business details. What business you are doing, where you are, your business is set up, what is the location of the business, what logo by it comes, what tagline it comes, what actually your business is manufacturing, selling, whatever the things are doing. Then commencement infos from when you are starting your business, under which block, division, subdivision, uh, that particular MSME is uh, comes under, then submit and finalize. Means when you submit, then they will give you a ID which will be further communicated with you for like validations purposes. The registration is entirely online, paperless, and based on self declaration. Means you have to declare that these are the things that I am providing for my MSME registration. Second, what are the benefits of registration? We have already understand in the previous slide that you can take loan from the bank. You have market recognition. Means the more companies will know about your firms. Protection, that's legal safeguard. Means safeguard, like if any other big brand or a small business can has copied your everything or a part of your product, then you can ask them for compensation or giving due credit or to make part of their business. In financial perks, we can say the collateral free loans. Indian government has launched a bunch of schemes to help the MSMEs. Protection, strict legal protection against delayed payment from buyers to ensure cash flows is set up by the government. IPR support, major subsidies on patent, trademark, and barcode registration to foster innovations. Mudra loan scheme. One of the in the private sector, as we understand that financial assistance will be given to the MSMEs, the Indian government has launched a Mudra loan scheme in 2015, under which PMMY, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, to support non-corporate, non-farm, small micro enterprises. You are just growing. Shishu up to 50,000 for startup. Kishore up to 5 lakh from 50,000 for expanding units. Tarun 5 lakh to 10 lakh for scaling operations. These are provided by the governments. Features of these loans are they are collateral free, streamlined process, focus on financial inclusion, and etc. Startup India initiative. There are two initiatives, that is, one is Startup India initiatives and another one is Stand Up India initiatives. Startup India initiative is been launched in 2016 by the government to build a strong ecosystem that is conducive to the growth of startup businesses, simplifies self-clarification of labor and environment laws, tax holidays, income tax exemption for 3 consecutive years, funding access. The government will provide access to fund uh, up to 10,000 crore on funds. IPR fast track, quick processing, and 80% of fee reduction for patent and other activities. Now we will come to the Unit 12 and 30, Make in India Economic Development. And it's in that. Make in India program, a global manufacturing hub initiative launched in 2014 to transform the national economy. 25 key corporate sector has been included. Focus is given on auto, pharma, electronics, defense, research, and other similar businesses. FDI inflows, simplifying regulation to attract global capital. As we all know that FDI is a major way through which government can ask for capital investment from the world. Infrastructure, developing smart cities and industrial corridor to attract innovators and innovative minds, to invest there. Skill India, ensuring a skilled workforce for high-tech manufacturing hubs. Next, institutional finance source. That is primary funding channels like commercial banks, venture capital, angel investors, government agencies. In commercial bank, term loan and working capital loans are given venture capital, high growth funding for tech startup, angel investor. They are helping to the early stage financing for new ideas. If any innovator comes with a unique and actionable ideas, then they are providing the funds and the necessary requirements, necessary supports to the innovators, government agencies. SIDBI and SBA style credit guarantee has been started by the government to support these this kind of small and medium scale uh, enterprises. MSME's classification. Right? According to the new criteria, MSME has been divided into micro, small, and medium. Micro, whose investment is less than 1 crore, but turnover is 5 crore, and small is considered as whose turnover whose turnover is 50 crore and investment is 10 crore. Medium is transcend to more than 50 crore, but turnover is more than means up to 250 crores. Composite criteria based on investment in plant and machinery and annual report is here shown. If you have any question, please mail us for any clarifications, though we can get started with solving your queries. This is for your fourth class, and we will mm, soon meet for your answering your questions. Thank you.